Getting the best wireless router for fiber optic internet connection is a sure way to upgrade your home internet connection. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers for fiber optic internet. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Mikrotik RB2011UiAS-2HnD-IN, the best budget wireless router for fiber optic. It is available for below $115. This has an RJ45 serial port, a micro USB port, an ASP port, and 128 megabytes of RAM. Also, it has a router OS L5 license and a nice touchscreen LCD for configuration. It features a powerful up to 1000 mW dual chain 2.4 GHz, 802.11bgn wireless, being an ideal solution for fiber to the home implementations. In the box you'll find the router itself, the power adapter and a micro USB to a normal USB adapter. That's it, no manual, and no CD. If you are buying one, Mikrotik probably expects you to know something about what you are buying. The unit is all metal, except for the red plastic front, but overall the router is sturdy and well built. What is unpleasant about it, is that there is no option to wall mount out of the box. You have to get a separate wall mount kit for it, which is an extra $15. But there are some holes, and you could make yourself a DIY wall mount with parts around your home if need be. Another bad thing about it is the micro USB port. There is clearly enough space to build in a normal USB port or at least a mini USB. If you have some soldering experience, you could solder a normal port if you want to. And the most featured thing about the Mikrotik router is the router OS. Initially, this router is set up to have its SFP and Ethernet 1 as WAN ports, and the rest are LAN. But the OS allows you to configure any interface as input, and even have multiple inputs for load balance. There are a few ways to manage the router: the web interface called WebFig, through the serial port or SSH, and through Winbox. Number 4. Google Wi-Fi System 3-Pack, the best fiber optic mesh system. At a reasonable price of around $190, you will have all your wireless connections correctly done. When using a supply from fiber optic, you will still enjoy an incredible and tireless connection with this mesh router system. Each Google Wi-Fi unit is powered by a 710 MHz ARM-based quad-core processor and has 512 MB of RAM, and 4 GB of solid-state storage space. It uses Qualcomm's IPQ4019 Wi-Fi radio and control chip. Your Google Wi-Fi points replace your existing router, and work together to create a mesh network that spreads a strong, reliable signal throughout your home. Google Wi-Fi includes 1 or 3 points, depending on the package you've purchased. There is also an Ethernet cable, and power adapters for each device. One Wi-Fi point plugs into your internet provider's modem to create your Wi-Fi network. And each additional point adds more Wi-Fi coverage. To use your Google Wi-Fi you will need a Google account, the Google Home app, internet service, and a modem for the internet service. The Google Fiber router has a wireless coverage of 1,500 square feet per single pack, meaning this set will cover a range of 4,500 square feet, making it one of the best large home routers. With a diameter of 4.1 inches and a height of 2.7 inches, each Google Wi-Fi unit is small and can be hidden on a shelf or a windowsill. Each Google Wi-Fi unit has an LED ring to show its status. Built around 2x2 MIMO technology, the Google Wi-Fi system has a theoretical maximum performance of 1.2 gigabits per second. There's an array of 5 antennas, arranged around each device's circumference. Number 3. ASUS RTAC5300. This is one of the best performing gigabit routers with excellent speeds. It's priced at around $400. It perfectly works for fiber optic internet such as Google Fiber because of its high compatibility and internet speeds. You will be amazed by the technologies that help in performance, making it one of the best large home fiber routers. Featuring is the MU-MIMO technology that makes multi-use of devices. Beamforming technology and the 4 antennas help boost the internet range and are crucial to the network connection stability. Moreover, the router has a tri-band and smart connect that allows fast connections and high compatibility. Perfect support of almost close to 2 gigabits per second wireless connections is achieved for this router. You will, therefore, also connect to your wired accessories, such as the game consoles. The existence of the gigabit Ethernet ports makes the router easy to connect to other devices. You will also have a perfect working with the fiber optic internet. The speeds get maintained, and the connections get more stabilized. You will also be amazed by the Broadcom Nitro QAM technology and the radar beamforming that make the router's performance excellent. The router, therefore, has little latency and incredible speeds when it comes to browsing. This sleek black router has 8 antennas that are capable of reaching both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies at high speeds. This allows for a combined speed of up to 5,334 megabits per second. The ASUS RT-AC5300 wireless router is one of the best routers on the market. With a stunning 2.4 GHz speed and a 4x4 MU-MIMO antenna, you'll never have to worry about buffering again. In fact, it can handle whole home coverage without any problem. With an AC5300 chipset, it delivers speeds up to 5,334 megabits per second, making this one of the fastest Wi-Fi AC routers on the market. Number 2. TP-Link Archer AX6000, a great value Wi-Fi 6 router at a reasonable price below $260. Loaded with the latest wireless technology and excellent compatibility, TP-Link AX6000 makes a perfect choice for fiber optical internet. The router stands out with a squarish design at 10.3 by 10.2 by 2.4 inches, and with its 8 sliding up pivoting antennas, the router gains an additional 2.3 inches taller. The antennas can't be replaced or aimed. It has 8 gigabit Ethernet port, 10 times faster than standard Ethernet, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, for a high-speed internet access. TP-Link also outfits the router with both a single USB 3.0 and a USB-C port, for connecting to a printer or external hard drive. It has a 1.8 GHz 64-bit quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 128 MB of flash storage space for firmware and settings. The system responds to Alexa commands, like prioritize gaming or restart router. It can be used to set up FTTT scenarios, for home automation devices, such as thermostats. With HomeCare you can protect your network and connected devices with a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link HomeCare featuring next-level antivirus, robust parental controls, and QoS. Blazing fast speed. Its dual-band 802.11ax design creates 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz networks that are rated at 4,804 megabits per second and 1,148 megabits per second. This router combines ultra-wide 160 MHz channels, with beamforming technology, to efficiently move data back and forth to several devices at once. This puts it a step behind tri-band routers, which have an extra 5 GHz band, for extra bandwidth. Number 1. Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi System RBK50, the best router for fiber internet. It's available at around $190. The Netgear Orbi RBK50 Mesh Router is a capable Wi-Fi system that delivers speedy fiber wireless networking to all areas of your home. It's easy and quick to install and offers plenty of wired LAN ports. The Google Fiber Router model comes with a beautiful shape and design that makes it look great. On the back, it has 1 internet port and 3 gigabit LAN ports to connect to those wired devices like game consoles, desktop computers, and streaming players. The Orbi satellite combined with the router lets you expand your range up to 4,000 feet, and you can easily add more satellites for additional 2,000 feet for satellite. You can expand your system with multiple satellites still with only one network name. The satellite itself comes with 4 gigabit LAN ports for those other wired devices that you may need to be connected to on the other side of the house. In the box there is also the Ethernet cord, the quick start guides, and the power cords. This is a great kit of a wireless ecstasy, highly compatible with all ISPs and routers. Connecting to fiber cable satellites for optic internet and many other suppliers. It gets max internet speeds. The tri-band Wi-Fi is the key for faster speeds. As more devices connected to the network, Orbi automatically assigns each device to the Wi-Fi band, it will perform better. To top it off, Orbi only uses one SSID, which means one network and seamless roaming. It is just plug and play, which you'll love. You can easily set it up with your phone, tablet, or computer in minutes. You will get guest networking support, so friends don't have their own networks, but still get online to thanks in part due to this advanced feature called MU-MIMO. MU-MIMO ready, which means no speed bumps while gaming, or downloading files simultaneously, across multiple devices around the house.